Imagine a place where planes vanish without a trace, where compasses spin wildly, or where bizarre natural phenomena defy every scientific explanation. These aren't just myths, they're real locations that challenge what we think we know about our planet. Today, we'll uncover the world's most mysterious places and the strange, chilling stories that surround them. Join me as we journey to the edge of understanding and delve into the heart of the unknown. Our first destination lies in the vast expanse of the North Atlantic Ocean, a region shrouded in mystery and whispered tales of the unexplained, the Bermuda Triangle. This area has fascinated and perplexed people for generations, drawing in those with a thirst for the unknown. This expanse of ocean, often depicted as a triangular region with its points at Miami, Bermuda and Puerto Rico, has long held a grip on the human imagination. The boundaries of this triangle encompass a vast area of the ocean, where countless stories of strange occurrences have been reported. It is a place where ships and aircraft have vanished without a trace, leaving behind only questions and the chilling silence of the sea. The disappearances have sparked numerous theories and speculations, each more intriguing than the last. For centuries, sailors have whispered of strange occurrences within this aquatic enigma. Tales of ghost ships, mysterious lights, and sudden storms have been passed down through generations, adding to the mystique of the Bermuda Triangle. Compasses spin erratically, disorienting even the most seasoned navigators. This phenomenon has been reported by numerous sailors and pilots, leading to confusion and in some cases disaster. The very air seems to crackle with an unseen energy, and the ocean depths hold secrets yet to be plumbed. The combination of these elements creates an atmosphere of unease and wonder, drawing in those who seek to uncover the truth. One particularly harrowing tale dates back to 1945, involving 5 U.S. Navy Avenger torpedo bombers that took off from Fort Lauderdale, Florida on a routine training mission. This mission, which should have been straightforward, quickly turned into a nightmare. This squadron, known as Flight 19, was led by experienced pilot Lieutenant Charles Taylor. Taylor was a seasoned aviator, well-versed in the challenges of flying over the Atlantic. They were scheduled for a simple exercise over the Atlantic, a flight path they had flown many times before. However, the familiar quickly turned unfamiliar as they ventured deeper into the Bermuda Triangle. Yet, shortly after entering the Bermuda Triangle, Lieutenant Taylor reported strange instrument malfunctions and disorientation. The instruments, which had always been reliable, suddenly became erratic and untrustworthy. His final chilling transmission spoke of the sea changing color and the sky turning a strange milky white. These eerie descriptions have fueled countless theories and speculations about what might have happened to Flight 19. Despite a massive search and rescue operation, no trace of Flight 19 was ever found. The disappearance of these aircraft remains one of the most enduring mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. The disappearance of these 5 aircraft, along with their 14 crew members, remains one of the most baffling mysteries associated with the Bermuda Triangle. The loss has left a lasting impact on the families and the aviation community. Over the years, numerous theories have been put forward to explain the disappearances within the Bermuda Triangle. Scientists, researchers, and enthusiasts have all tried to unravel the enigma, each offering different perspectives. Some point to the region's unpredictable weather patterns, including sudden, violent storms that can appear with little warning. These storms can be incredibly dangerous, catching even the most prepared sailors and pilots off guard. Others speculate about the presence of rogue waves, towering walls of water capable of swallowing ships whole. These waves, though rare, are a known phenomenon and could explain some of the disappearances. There are even those who believe that the Bermuda Triangle is a hotbed of geomagnetic anomalies, causing compasses to malfunction and leading to navigational errors. These anomalies could create a perfect storm of confusion and disorientation. These theories, while intriguing, have yet to provide a definitive answer to the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. The lack of concrete evidence leaves room for endless speculation and debate. Could it be a confluence of natural phenomena, a perfect storm of unfortunate circumstances? The combination of weather, waves, and geomagnetic anomalies could create a deadly mix. Or does something more enigmatic lurk beneath the waves, something that defies our current understanding of the natural world? The Bermuda Triangle continues to captivate and mystify, a true enigma of the deep. Our journey into the heart of the unexplained takes us now to the frozen north, to the shores of a remote lake in Canada's vast wilderness. This is a land where the cold bites deep, and the silence is as profound as the endless stretches of snow and ice. Here, amidst the icy silence of the Arctic tundra, lies Lake Anjikuni, a place where the veil between our world and the unknown seems to thin. The lake, surrounded by an almost otherworldly stillness, has been the backdrop for one of the most enduring mysteries of the North. The story of Lake Anjikuni is one that has been passed down through generations of Inuit people, a chilling tale of an entire village that vanished without a trace. This legend has intrigued and baffled historians, researchers, and adventurers alike. It was in the depths of winter, 1930, when a fur trapper sought refuge from the biting wind and snow at a small Inuit village on the shores of Lake Anjikuni. The trapper, a seasoned traveler of the north, was familiar with the harsh conditions and the welcoming nature of the village's inhabitants. The trapper had visited this village many times before, finding warmth and companionship amongst its inhabitants. The villagers were known for their hospitality, often sharing stories and meals with travelers who passed through. But on this particular night, an eerie silence hung in the air. The usual sounds of life were absent, replaced by an unsettling stillness that seemed to seep into the trapper's bones. The village, usually alive with the sounds of children playing and dogs barking, was eerily still. The absence of these familiar noises created a sense of foreboding that was impossible to ignore. As the trapper approached the first of the huts, a sense of unease crept over him. The door was slightly ajar, and the interior was shrouded in darkness, offering no clues to the mystery that lay within. The door was ajar, and a half-cooked meal sat abandoned over a dying fire. It was as if the villagers had left in the middle of their daily routines, vanishing into thin air without a moment's notice. Inside, personal belongings lay scattered as if the occupants had left in a hurry. Clothing, tools, and other everyday items were strewn about, untouched by human hands since the moment of their departure. The trapper searched the entire village, but every dwelling was deserted. Each hut told the same story of sudden abandonment, with no sign of struggle or distress. There was no sign of a struggle, no indication of where the villagers might have gone. The snow around the village was undisturbed, with no tracks leading away from the settlement. The only clue was a single sled dog, found frozen to death near the edge of the village. Its harness was still attached, suggesting it had been left behind in a hurry. Its harness was still attached, but the sled and its driver were nowhere to be found. The scene was haunting, a silent testament to the mystery that had unfolded. The Royal Canadian Mounted Police were called in to investigate the strange disappearance, but despite an extensive search, no trace of the missing villagers was ever found. The case remains one of the most baffling in Canadian history. The mystery of Lake Anjikuni remains unsolved to this day, a chilling reminder of the power of the unknown. The lake and its surroundings continue to be a source of fascination and fear for those who hear the tale. Some speculate that the villagers fell victim to a natural disaster, perhaps a sudden avalanche or a break in the ice. These theories, while plausible, do not fully explain the complete disappearance of an entire community. Others whisper of ancient curses and malevolent spirits that roam the frozen wasteland. These stories, steeped in local folklore, add a supernatural element to the already eerie mystery. Could a place like this really erase people from history? The questions linger, unanswered, as the frozen landscape keeps its secrets. Wait until you hear what happened next. The story of Lake Anjikuni is just one of many that remind us of the mysteries that lie hidden in the world's most remote corners. Chapter 3. The Magnetic Hill of Ladakh. From the icy plains of Canada, we journey now to the towering heights of the Himalayas, to a land of stark beauty and ancient mysteries. Here, amidst the rugged terrain and serene landscapes, lies a place where the very laws of physics seem to bend and twist. In the Ladakh region of India, there exists a peculiar stretch of road known as Magnetic Hill, a place where vehicles appear to roll uphill, seemingly defying the natural pull of gravity, leaving onlookers in awe. The phenomenon of Magnetic Hill has baffled and intrigued both locals and visitors alike for decades, sparking numerous debates and discussions. Drivers who stop their vehicles at the base of the hill claim that their cars begin to roll uphill on their own, as if pulled by an invisible force. This mysterious force has led to countless stories and theories, each more fascinating than the last. The effect is so pronounced that even airplanes passing overhead are said to increase their altitude to avoid any potential interference, adding to the hill's enigmatic reputation. Numerous theories have been put forward to explain the strange occurrences at Magnetic Hill, ranging from scientific to the supernatural. Some believe that the hill possesses a strong magnetic field that disrupts the normal pull of gravity, creating this unusual effect. Others speculate that it is an optical illusion, a trick of the eye caused by the unique layout of the surrounding landscape. The slopes and angles of the terrain can create a visual deception, making a downhill slope appear to be an uphill one. Scientists have conducted numerous experiments, attempting to measure the magnetic field and determine the true nature of the phenomenon. While they have yet to find conclusive evidence of a magnetic anomaly, the mystery of Magnetic Hill persists, captivating the imagination of all who visit. The enigma of Magnetic Hill continues to draw curious minds, each hoping to uncover the truth behind this bizarre phenomenon. What do you think is behind this strange and captivating phenomenon? Is it science, illusion, or something else entirely? Drop your theories in the comments below. We would love to hear your thoughts and ideas. The world is full of places that defy logic and reason. Are these natural phenomena, unsolved mysteries, or something more? Let us know your favorite mystery in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Brain Boosters content.